Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. After 5 long days, this paint is dry. Only problem is, it's not 100% coat. And I need to go through it and put a little sandpaper to it and smooth it up and give it another coat. And then it's another 5 days sitting in the rack. So this is just going to be a short little part of a video so that I can show you where I'm at with it, and then we'll go on to do other things. There. So, I will need to leave this dry overnight in a nice dry basement with the heat running, and let that dry out and be ready for paint again tomorrow. Every time I come upstairs from the basement, Sadie's ready to go outside and play because she just loves eating snow. Do you want a bone? Well, come on, let's go in the house. Watching her play is a lot better than watching paint dry. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.